Hi, Dr. Joe here to talk about the articles from the journal Science, 22nd of September of this year. It is an article by Andy Grove, the founder and CEO of Intel. And he is also a patient advocate at the University of California in San Francisco. And he talks a little bit about rethinking clinical trials. We're in a situation where what we do now is a good 50 years old, and all the laws haven't changed because it didn't, and because a lot of problems have accrued here and there, that the organization needs to be done differently. Not just faster, it has to be with a lot of emphasis on what we want to get out of it, prices and everything such as that. So that's one situation, and it's awfully hard to get people to be involved. These are complicated, and they go through a long period of time before they finish. So 80 to 90% of the time, everything to get a drug on the market is delayed, or it's done in Russia or some other country and the like. And we now accept those things without instances of concern at all. Breakthrough regulation is what he calls for, and I concur. And it ought to be, as he suggests, part of the physicians who specialize in areas where these things are coming out. Maybe a specialist for a specialist to get everything in a place where you can quickly ascertain, is it going to be safe? Well, the FDA is going to be able to do this. Will it be effective? The physician can talk about that. So these specialty societies have to get moving on a new course. We have new laws to be talked about, and that's what he talks about a lot in the present article. A commons approach, an ancient idea of where everybody could go to one place and work on it, would be something that would help everybody, help the United States come and keep up all the expertise they have had for years, as well as patients would get the drugs they need and the physicians would be able to do it. A lot of the things that are a problem today also is because this is so slow and old and dangerous, everybody's losing faith in the whole system, the doctor, and everyone else who arbitrates this kind of a thing, like your insurance company and the like. We need a brand new system. It's going to be something really, really, I think, wonderful. So these are something going to take maybe 20 years to develop, but it's very worthwhile because this is definitely your time.